Alright, so you're welcome back again. To this particular video, we'll be looking at how we can use what is known as the candle shadow shootout to be able to get our entries. In forex market. One of the challenges as most traders face is to pinpoint a profitable entry, and of course to exit our trading. So these are the major areas that traders always find it difficult to pinpoint. So with these particular strategies in which I'll be showing you, it will enable you to predict the rightly the entry and the exiting point even before it happens. So let me now move straight to the chart. Okay, this is our chart again. Remember, as I mentioned from the intro of this video, everything that we start with the chart and end with the chart. So it doesn't matter the instrument which you are using. The application or the system can be applied on any of the charts of that instrument. So that's why that it does not matter, in as much as personally I trade on gold mostly, and of course GBP USD or Euro USD. But now this is a USD Japanese yen chart, or let me move over to maybe GBP USD or Euro USD. Now I want to use this chart for a purpose. On the previous video I made mention that you made about 15 pips here, or about 18 pips, sorry, but I want to show you how you would have made more than this by the use of the candle shootout shadows, or the shadow shootout. Let's see how it works. Now when I mean the shootout, I want you to look at something here. This time I have to remove this horizontal line. Now let me show you what I mean here. What I mean by shootout, I want you to understand this area, understand this is shadow, candle shadow, this is candle shadow. All this pull out this one, and then when you look at top, we have this, and we have this, and we have this, and of course this. But remember that most times when you want to do any of these things, kindly do them on a higher time frame. Use a higher time frame to find out your strategy, then use a lower time frame like 15 minutes for the entry. Get me? Check these things on a higher time frame. So in this case now we'll be moving over to either daily or we'll go to 4 hours. So let me say that I move to 4 hours in this case now, and I want to look at the shadows. In which I will be using now. So the shadows, as I've mentioned earlier, these are the shadows. These are the shootout shadows. The shadows you're talking about are those that are just standing on their own. Like this one in this case now, we have this, I have this, we have this, of course you have this and this and this. You get me now? So now if you look at this, let me say I come to this place. What I'm going to do is I will pick my trend line, and then this is where the trend line comes in. I pick the trend line here, I come to this place, and I plot all the shootouts. For instance, I plot it here in this place. Now I'm expecting price that whenever the price touches this particular trend line, market is going to pull back. You are going to see the magic now. Market is going to pull back. Remember when I have connected these two, this has not happened. Yes, when I connected these two, this has not happened. So I'm using this to predict the direction or where the market might reach and then reverse. If you get me now, I use it to predict the direction of the market. Now in this case now, let me say I come to the downtrend. I come to this point, I look at this, and now connect this and this. Remember, by the time I was connecting this has not happened. So I have seen this happened, I connect it, and you look at the price just came to this point. Immediately price touches this line. Remember, this candle was not there before. The next thing it did was to start going up. So in this case now, what you're going to do, that when you plot this, you come to this place and place what is called a pending order. And this pending order simply means buy limit. Buy limit. That's what you do at the below of this. That's what you place here. You place a buy limit order at this point. And then if it happens to be up, you are going to place a sell limit. Like in this case, I'm going to place a sell limit. Now what you're going to do again is this. That once the price did not touch this, then you now look at the available shootout after this. Like this is the one here. Let's see what happened here. And check here. Okay, this one, this is higher than this. So what I'm going to do is to connect this to this. So I always go with a higher levels. As the price is going up, you keep on connecting the higher one as long as it has shot out. So what you're going to do, you can see that as I place this, the candle came to this point, touch it. So I expected to place a sell order at this point. So when I place a sell order, what happens is that it moved up, came back, and then started coming down. And as it came down here, let's see what would have happened on this one. What would have happened is that by now I am being expected to connect this and this. So in that case now, this one that came down here touched this particular trend line and then started pulling back. But if it fails, another one connect this one, and that's what gave me this, and the market moved up immediately. Please, this might sentence somehow technical for those who have not come to understand this or the forex market, but I want you, in this case now, those of you that are finding it difficult, always make sure that you reach out to me. Probably we are going to organize a physical class for this. So this is how we use the shootout to, to be able to predict the direction, the reversal area. If you are following this, look at this particular movement. That was news. So assuming I come to this point, the next thing I do is to connect this one, and this. So once I connect these two, I will get this. So I'm expecting that since the price did not go above this, it's going to go down, and that's exactly what's happened. Then if you check this in on a 15-minute chart, it's going to be very clear to you. Now for us to really get what I'm saying on 15-minute chart, let me come closer to this. Let me use this come here. Okay, now since I have connected these two, what I'm going to do is this particular candle touches this and I went back, and then I expect that the price will be going up. So if you plot this on 15-minute charts, let's see what happened here. If I come on the 15-minute charts, let's see from this place here. Now from this line, let's switch to 15 minutes and see what happened here. 15-minute chart here. Okay, this 15 minutes. So you can see that this is the horizontal, the trend line which I have plotted. You can see what price is doing there. If you're an experienced trader, I believe you understand very clearly what I'm saying here. So you see what price is doing here. At the end of the day, what happened? It moved up here. So you're already on profit. So on this particular one alone, you can, on one particular instrument, to make up to 100 pips. Because it tells you in advance what is going to happen. So you are going to wait for the market while it is coming, either going up for it to fall or coming down for it to pull back. So this is the way the candle shootout works. You can plot this on 15 minutes, but as I've said, it will be better if you go on a higher time frame to take all this analysis and then return back to a lower time frame for your entry. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the candle shadow shootout strategy. So as I always said, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate from asking me, and I'm going to put you through on how these things works. May God bless you.